How to add a footer on your Wix website. So basically, when you have your Wix website like here, it will come with footer and header by default. Or if you experience like this, no footer or no header right here, and to make it appear again, you want to go to your left of your screen and then choose on this pages and menu. And then on side menu, on home, you want to click on these three dots right here and then choose on settings. And then you want to go to layout, and on layout, you want to choose on standard right here. And there you go. Right now, you will have your header and also your footer right here. And then you can also customize your footer by clicking on the footer and then choose this gear icon, footer settings, and you can choose whether you want to freeze your footer or not. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.